I'm so confident that I'm unstoppable today.
Then money came out from farming, and then he used that money to go into other things. Today he's the richest black person in the world. He is, because he's a farmer. That's what he is. We have some of us have heard of Obasanjo. You know Obasanjo? You don't know Obasanjo? Obasanjo is one of the richest people in Africa too because of farming. Okay? Because of farming. So what I am trying to tell you is that farming is a wonderful occupation. It is yes, Butter Farms is Obasanjo's farm, is the biggest farm in Africa. Now, farming is profitable. Farming is something that makes you valuable is something that if you do it, you will see the results. Do you understand? So I am here to encourage you, my dear young people, that to be a doctor is good, to be an engineer is good. But one good thing about family is that you can always do it and do another thing. Do you understand? You can be doing farming and be doing your doctor. You can be doing farming and be flying plane. Do you know? You can be doing farming and be doing engineering. Do you know? Do you understand? Yes. As a matter of fact, let me tell you that the person that started the company where I'm working is a doctor. He is a doctor. When I mean doctor, I don't mean animal doctor, I mean human doctor. The one you go to the hospital to see. He is a doctor. But then he did not just say, okay, because he's a successful doctor. But he will not just say, because I'm a successful doctor, let me stop here. What he did is he started what? A farm. So when I tell you that that place we are is a farm, I know it's very beautiful. It's very fine. So when you say it's farm, some people will be looking at you. And in fact, there was a day I was on a bike and I took the bike to that place. And I was telling the bike man that this is a farm. The person was arguing with me. That is not true. That we are doing other things here. I say it's farm. Do you want to come inside and come and see? He said no, it's not true. Do you know why they are finding it difficult to believe? Because that place is fine. And people think that a farm is usually not what? Fine. But that's not true. My young people, today I want you to think about farming. Because farming is not just soil. It's not just opening the ground and putting seed. There are a lot of things, okay, involved in farming. And trust me, I will not deceive you. If you decide today to think about farming, I'm not asking you to change what you want to be. Because at this stage, majority of you are still
now that's the dance.